Hey y'all, this is Toni with Eat and Travel with Toni. Where as you see, we're driving throughout Tucson. We're actually about to go to the Iron Chef Tucson Culinary Experience. This should be an awesome event. I am pretty sure. This is our first time ever going. We didn't know much about it. We did see it actually posted like on Facebook and Instagram last year. We didn't go check it out, but this year we chose to go check it out. And it was definitely awesome, as you will see in the video as well. But I do want to give you a little bit of information about the Iron Chef Tucson Culinary Experience. Just know that there is an Iron Chef show that comes on TV, but this is not the actual show that comes on TV, but it's similar to it. But there are, of course, chefs that are cooking food and trying to, of course, get you to taste their food and that kind of thing, and you're voting on the best tasting dish. I put it that way. From what I see on here, and I'm looking at the website, and it says the reigning Iron Tucson chef is Chef Ken Foy of Dante's Fire. Says he's the reigning winner of the competition 2022, 2023, and this is 2024. So we're going to see if he's going to win this bad boy. So it says two-time Iron Chef Tucson champion Chef Kenneth Foy won the title in both 2023, 2024. Ken is a native of the Washington, D.C. area, where he was educated through the American Culinary Federation Apprenticeship Program. After completing his externship, took the helm of the Lois Island Country Club, International Country Club, and Dominion Valley Country Club, before relocating to Tucson to accept the executive chef position at Tucson Country Club in 2006. And it says in 2013 he opened Dante's Fire in mid Tucson. So like I said, this is definitely awesome, you all. Now I'm looking to see, like I said, I'm checking out their website to see exactly what kind of information they have on here. Because I want to know, of course, when this actually started. So I'm trying to see if I can find anything about when it actually started. I don't see it so far, but let me see so I can get there for y'all. And while I'm looking for this, y'all, make sure that y'all, of course, subscribe to my channel. My channel is Eat and Travel with Toni. And, of course, like I said, I'm here in Southern Arizona as well. So, like I said, definitely make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive all the information, all the videos, the cooking demos, the baking demos, the restaurant, how they taste, the restaurant reviews, and that kind of thing. And of course, you'll see some travel stuff on here as well. We're getting ready to go on a cruise in about 3 weeks, so you'll be seeing that. But like I said, definitely make sure that you, of course, subscribe to the channel if you love stuff like that. You want to hear eating travel information, tips, tools, that kind of thing too, and of course, have fun. So make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell to receive all the videos that upload from this point on out. If you haven't seen the ones in the past, go check that out too. So, as I'm looking through, I was giving myself time to look through this, y'all, because I'm trying to find more information for y'all. Hold on. I'm trying to see what I can find. I don't know when it actually started, y'all. So I may not be able to find that information when it actually started right now, but just keep in mind that this has been going on in Tucson for at least the last 3-4 years. So if you come to Tucson, this is an awesome event for you to check out. It usually happens in the summer. It happened this September. So in the actual competition itself, or the drawing or the winning day, it happens in October. So I hope you enjoyed this, y'all. Like I said, definitely check out the rest of this video. Hey y'all, we're actually coming to the Tucson Convention Center. We're here now for the Tucson Iron Chef competition of 2024. It's been going on for several years. I don't know how many years. Once I get the information, I'll of course share with y'all, but we're about to go ahead and walk on in, y'all. It looks beautiful. I've never seen this. Have you ever seen this place though before? You have? Oh, the concert that you said. Okay. Roadrunners. Who's the Roadrunners? Oh. It's like I've seen that name online before. Who's the Roadrunners? Okay. Well, this is neat. We must have never came down this way because I've never seen that double tree. That's a temple? What temple is that? Oh, sorry. It's a temple. I like stuff like that. I'm in India. That's why I'm going to go to India to see all the temples in Asia and stuff. The Nutcracker's coming. Oh, man. Well, you don't like the nut. But the Nutcracker's coming. This is neat. Wow. This is awesome. That's interesting. Okay.
It's a big building.
I didn't know. Anna, who is Anna Barber? I have no idea who that is.
Or Bonnie Raitt.
Bonnie Raitt. Yeah, I know that, but I don't know nothing really about her music. I guess if I don't look at it, I listen to it, I guess. And I saw Keith Sweat, but I see it up on the board, but it said the St. Louis concert was canceled. I don't know what Keith Sweat. I don't know. I heard of Who's the Hosey or Who's the, how do you pronounce it? Those hockey sticks. Oh, so he's coming October. Okay. I saw something about the Disney on Ice. I've been to that several times. I used to like the little thing. I still like it, actually. At least to me, I still like it. So this is the Wildcat hockey. So it's the part of U of A. Wildcat, okay. So they have a hockey arena in there? I just thought about that. I'm like, wait a minute, they have a thing in there? Oh, wow, okay.
I just told you that the road comes where it's a hockey team. They have
Yeah. Yeah, I understand that. I'm just, because we can't really see it because all the doors are closed. Exit only, no re-entry. Okay. They don't come in this building, do they? How they put a rodeo up in here? Some animals? Really? No. Okay.
You don't understand. A lot of those arenas, even the ones that the Blues play, they can move the floors and do different stuff.
Oh. Well, maybe that's one of the chefs. Maybe. I'm going to assume. Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Why'd you say off? That's why you didn't say. Oh, okay. Thought you may have known them. Ooh. Child, we could have parked over there. You know where the thing was. Ooh. See an ambulance and a radio station. And that sign did say no food or drinks. What kind of stadium is that? Or maybe it's not a stadium. I guess there's like some tents or something. I don't know what that is. Huh. That's interesting. Okay.